Jackson's Rainy Day by Cassandra Stewart. Jackson stared out the window as rain poured from the clouds. He was very sad because he wanted to go out and play. Jackson's mother busied herself at the stove making dinner. She was preparing chicken noodle soup. Yum! Soup is best on a rainy day, she'd said. Mommy, Jackson said from the window, can I please go out and play? I'm sorry, sweetheart, his mother said over her shoulders. You might catch a cold. Jackson didn't listen and snuck out of the house with Fred. Dressing himself, he put on his rain boots and his sweater that hung on the hook by the door. Ooh! Soon he was outside, splashing around in the puddles that settled in the yard. He had on no rain cloak, and neither did he have an umbrella. Oh my! Jackson was soaked right through, but he was having fun. Until lightning flashed across the sky, and a loud clap of thunder followed. Ooh, scary. Jackson felt scared. He ran towards the house. Jackson's mother was so surprised to see what he had done. What did you do, Jackson? She said. Stay right there, she commanded. Jackson's mother had hurried for towels to get him dry. She was disappointed. Oh my! Jackson hung his head. I'm sorry, Mama, he said. His mother hugged him as she tried to get him dry. It's okay to make mistakes, she promised. I just don't want you to get sick. Jackson hugged his mother back. I won't do it again, he promised. Jackson was now all dry. He sat at the dinner table with Mom to have warm soup as the rain came to a stop. Soon the rain had stopped, and a beautiful rainbow sat in the sky. Mom decided to take Jackson for a walk. He was very happy. The end.